Buddy Brian with Marine Detail Supply Company. Just giving you a quick tech tip on how to clean and buff your extensions and cleats. Anything little tight areas, really. So we just come through, we use 3D's orange degreaser. It's a really powerful citrus degreaser. You can use Stark Mildew Clean, Purple Power, there's a lot of different stuff you can use. We just need a rotary buffer, any sort. You don't need the double-sided adapter on, I just don't feel like taking that off. But definitely will affect it buffing, so I recommend you taking it off. And then here's our 1-inch pad. It's an orange one, so it's like a medium cut. And then we also have a gray cut. It's a little heavier cut. So this one. But the gray one, again, I'm still a big fan right now of the new XC100. So again, not sponsored, but I did the other cleat and I was like, all right, I gotta make a video on this. This looks pretty good. So again, I grabbed the machine and the product, lathered up pretty good, smear it on there, and then I'll go ahead and put a good amount of product around the cleats too themselves in the little angles. This is after I've gone through and cleaned it. So then I'll just put that pad right where we need her. And then I'll start real low and slow, and then I'll just build the speed up. So this is gives you that really nice shine. Sometimes I tape the bright work off, like the metal and the extensions. But for the most part, I don't anymore because I feel like I get a lot tighter buffs when I'm not having those tape lines and stuff. So I do get a lot of bright work residue, but that comes off in the medium step, and then also with a surface prep wipe we'll show you. All right, so start real low and slow, just 1,000 RPM, or 600 RPM. 600 to 1,200, just really low and slow with this compound. You're going to hear it making noises. Trust me, it's not going to hurt it. This is plastic. So once I got it all evenly spread out like that, I'll go ahead and bust the speed up. So 3 be at about 1,200. That'll be the most I'll go with the heavy. All right, so once that section's done, I'll change out for my orange, more of a medium cut. And then I'll go with the XC300 from Rupes. It's again a little finer, so it'll be able to remove those scratches from the first step. There's no need to wipe in between sections too. And again, you just want to put a good amount of product. And then this one we're going to turn up a little bit more. Turning up just means more RPM and speed. right, now I'll go ahead and boost it up from about 4, so it'll be at 1500 max. When I get to the tops of these, I'm really just hugging it and then around. Alright, you see there wasn't a lot of buff in there. Again, just 2 steps. One with the XC100 and then the XC300. 2 pads too. So the orange pad for the XC3 and then the gray pad for the XC1. If you want to get to like some tighter extensions cleats, you can use these arbor rods, which is really cool. Kind of keep you away from it. Or get you into around windows and down catwalks and stuff like that. So really cool. You team that up with a 3-inch backing plate you see here. So that's neat. A lot of cool tools and tips and tricks we plan on sharing. All right, so we'll give it a wipe off and see where we're at. A lot of times I'll just use the leftover compound that's just still in the little cracks, and we'll just use it as a polish, go around and finish cut and everything. And I'll use it on the metal too. It's pretty nice. Obviously this is going to need waxed after that. So you could use a spray wax, cream wax, something like that. But the main thing is you really grab this towel, hold it in here, and do one of these numbers. The top and the bottom. Especially on the sides as well, like this. That's going to get out any leftover compound. You can always tell, like not a backyard detail, but a little cheaper one if they leave compound up in the cleats and extensions. So use that again like that. Boom. So, is it super fast? No, but I guess nothing is.